Hello, welcome to my channel. Now I have a question here under buying of electricity. It says an electric heater 1.2 kilowatts, a blender 500 watts, an electric iron 940 watts, and 8 bulbs 20 watts each are connected in a house. How much will it cost to run these appliances for 2 days if the cost of electricity is $4.50 per kilowatt hour? Now, for us to solve this, we have to first of all obtain the total power. Now, since most of the powers are in watts already, let's make all of them be in watts. So the first power I have there is 1.2 kilowatts, and I have to convert that kilowatt to watts. So now, to convert 1.2 kilowatts to watts, I just simply multiply by 1000 because this kilo simply means 1000. So 1.2 multiplied by 1000 will give me 1200. Now I'm to add all the powers together of everything. So I have this as 1200 watts. Then I add it to that of the blender, which is 500 watts. So I'm going to say plus 500. And then plus that of the electric iron, which is 940 watts. So plus 940 watts. And then I have plus 8 bulbs. Now, each of the bulb is 20 watts. So, and there are 8 bulbs. So, the total power for the 8 bulbs will be 8 multiplied by 20. 8 multiplied by 20 will give me 160. So, I have 160 watts. 160. So, adding all these powers together will give me the total power from the house when all these appliances are put on. Now, this will give me a total power of 2800. 2800 watts. So this is the total power from all these appliances. Now, the next thing for us to do is to apply the cost of electricity formula. I want to give a formula that I use that is very convenient for me. So I say cost of electricity is given by power multiplied by time all divided by 1000 and then multiply by cost per kilowatt hour. So this is the formula to calculate the cost of electricity. Please take note of this. This formula can help you. It can go a long way in helping you to solve problems like this. Now, there's this clause that you have to apply here. The time here, you know, the SI unit of time in physics is seconds. But in problems like this, because we are giving cost in kilowatt hour, our time will not be in seconds. Our time will be in hours. Take note of that. So when you are solving a problem like this, remember to use your time in hours. You must convert your time to hours. And then this dividing by 1000 means that we are converting the watts to kilowatts. So this dividing by 1000 means we are converting to this kilowatt. You can see, convert to kilowatt, and then the time must be in hour. So now, for us to apply this formula straight away, let's substitute in values. So this will be equal to the power that we have, which is 2800 multiplied by the time. Now, going back to the question, we are told that the appliance will be run for 2 days. You can see it here, 2 days. So we have to convert these 2 days to hours because don't forget our time here must be in hours. So converting 2 days to hour will be how many? 2 multiply by 24. Don't forget, 24 hours make 1 day. So in 2 days, we have to multiply the 2 by 24. That will give us the total time in hours. And then all divided by 1,000. And then multiply by the cost per kilowatt hour. From the question, we are given the cost per kilowatt hour. If the cost of electricity is $4.50, so the cost per kilowatt hour, that is $4.50 per kilowatt hour. So that cost is 4.50. So I can go on further by saying that this 2,800 multiplied by 2 times 24 and then divide everything by 1,000 is going to give me 134.4. So this as a whole will give me 134.4 and then multiply by 4.50. That is the cost per kilowatt hour. And then by the time we multiply throughout, by the time we multiply these two values, we are going to get the total cost. And that will be given to us in dollars. So the total cost will be $604.80. So this is the cost of running the appliances for 2 days. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video so that others can learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.